A poll under a post? Oh, yes, it's possible. Now you can add a poll in the caption section and ask your followers for their opinion. Here's how to do it. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Add a post as you normally would. Click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Select the photo you want to post and press Next. Here, you can add one of Instagram's effects and further edit the photo. I'll skip this step and press the Next button. Now click on the caption section as if you're adding a description. A poll button will appear. Click on it. In the Ask a Question section, enter the question or text you want. I'll ask my followers if they like nature. Click the check mark to save the poll, and it will be added to the description of the post. If you want to further edit it, press on the poll and make changes. I'll add another option besides yes and no. If you want to do this, click on Add Another option and enter the desired text. When you're done with the changes, press the check mark again. All that's left is to share the post by clicking on the Share button. After a few seconds, my post is published. Click on the caption, and you'll see how your poll looks. I'll vote now for demonstration purposes. You can see the percentage of your followers who voted for each option. What do you think? Do you like this feature? Let us know in the comments. For more tutorials, check out the other tutorials on our channel and follow us.